Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to reactivate your Facebook page. So for this, what you need to do is go to your browser or your Facebook app. Then you have to simply log into your account, and I have logged into my account here. Then what you need to do is go to the left hand side. Make sure this is for the you can get this left hand sidebar in the web on in the web Facebook web only. Then you have to go to the pages option from the bottom option from here. Then here you can see the pages that you have currently attached with your Facebook account. Then you can simply deactivate. If your page is deactivated, then you will see that here you will get the option of reactivate. Here you will see the option that Charlie Holmes my page name is, and here it will show that your page is deactivate, and here you will get the option of activate now in the right hand side. And after that, if you simply click on the activate now option from here, then it will simply click on it, and here you can see if you click on the page, and it will simply take you to that page that you got deactivated unfortunately or by mistake. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.